Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss restrict character length in text input in Canvas app using max length property. First, I will add a text input control to my Power App screen. You can add it by going to the insert under the popular, click on text input. Now, let's understand what is the max length property is. The max length property defines the maximum number of characters a user can type into a text input control. If max length is set to 10, the user can enter only 10 character. After that, Power App will not allow any more character. And what is the default value of max length in a text input control? So by default, max length is null. Max length null means there is no character limit. So if you do not set this property, the user can enter unlimited character. Now let's see an example. Suppose I want the user to enter only 8 characters. Now preview the app. Like I want to remove this. If I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now once the user type 8 character, they will not be able to type anything more. So in this video, we covered how to restrict character length in a text input control in a Canvas app using the max length property. Thanks for watching.